your math teacher's best buddy and proof doer extraordinaire, coming to you live, recorded live at least, from New York City, greatest city in the world. And we were trying to get you future knights, you future sons of Xavier, to learn some geometry. Okay, now this proof here, fellas, it becomes really beautiful. And the thing that's beautiful about it is sometimes with these proofs, you only just do what you can do, right? Sometimes there's nothing else you can do but do what they say to do, right? In this one, you're given something about angle ABC, you're given something about angle DBE. So let's look at what we're given. So ABC is this angle right here. You're given something about this angle, that this angle is 2 times ABD, okay? You're also given something about DBE. DBE, which is this angle, is 2 times CBE, which is this angle over here, right? And indeed, as you can guess, this middle angle we don't know anything about yet right now, right? But we're going to probably have to get that involved somehow because I just want this little piece over here congruent or equal to this little piece over here, this little angle congruent to this little angle. You know, what I see a lot of you guys doing on proofs is you start labeling things and you're like, I need a variable involved, which is not a bad way to start, right? Getting a variable, let's call this X. And then I see people just labeling this X like you're assuming it's equal. And you'll be like, oh, well, this is the same too, so I'll call that X. Well, it might be true that they're all equal. In fact, it's easy to say that they're all equal, right? But it takes some steps to do that. And that's the whole point, is that we're trying to prove, right? It's a proof. We're trying to prove that given the information that we're given, that we can actually say that indeed that this thing is true. Okay. Now, so as you can guess, we would like to get some variables involved, but so we can go ahead and label, but we can't assume all those things are congruent. So I'll call this X, I'll call this here inside Y, and I'll call this Z. Okay. And that will make it easier when we start substituting in values. All right. Of course, the first thing you should do is state the given. The measure of angle ABC is equal to 2 times the measure of angle ABD. And the measure of angle DBE is equal to 2 times the measure of angle CBE. Okay, that's the given. All right. Now, I can go ahead and substitute in, which will make it easier. I can substitute in what I'm already given, right? So ABC, the measure of angle ABC is 2 times ABD, which is X, right? And measure of angle DBE is 2 times measure of angle CBE, which is labeled Z in my diagram. So I'll just say by substitution from labeling in diagram. Okay. Now, of course, I haven't said anything, right, about this middle angle Y. Why did I label it Y? Well, I must need to get that involved somehow, right? Because I'm stuck. I still don't know whether A, B, C, and DBE are equal, so I can't say anything about X and Y being equal, right? I'm stuck. I can't do anything else. So a lot of the proofs we've been doing in this unit are using angle addition. So angle addition, remember, is, for example, this angle ABC, which is my angle right here, has to be equal to the sum of the 2 angles that make it up, right? So I can go ahead and use that, and that might be useful because I've already got something about ABC, but I don't have it equal to anything except for 2x.